Okay, let us start our class today, Rihan. तो Zoom application टा मो पाकर अच्छी बट ସେଥିରେ ଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସିବୁଲ ନୁହେଁ ସେମିତି ମୁଁ ପଢ଼େଇ ପାରିବିନି ଠିକରେ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରିକି ତ ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି ତ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ମୋ କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିକି ତ ଲିଙ୍କ ପଠାଇଦେବି ଆଉ ସେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଦେଖିବୁ ଓକେ ଯଦି କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ସ ରହେ ତାହେଲେ ମୋତେ କଲ୍ କରି ପଚାରିବୁ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ डाउट क्लियर करदेवी ओके तो तुम जो पठे कि किसी कंटेंट पढ़ी मैथ रो ओके तो से मैथ रे किसी कंटेंट करवा आम पढ़ी एक्सपोनेंट्स एक्सपोनेंट्स विषय पढ़लु और पावर्स है उसमें पढ़लु तो आज जो कंटेंट अच्छी जोटा तुम सेंड कर गोटे फर्मुला हूँ लिखुची a into b whole of power m is equal to a ro power m into b ro power m. Okay, a into b whole to the power m is equal to individually जो कौन a to the power m into b to the power m. Okay, so if we take an example here, as per the books, the example is given here. A to the power 5 into a to the power minus 4. So a to the power minus 3 whole power 4. If we break this expansion, then our answer will be a to the power 5 whole to the power 4 into a to the power minus 3 whole to the power 4. Like this, a into b whole of power m, a to the power m into b to the power m. Here, our a is here in this example, a is a to the power 5 and b is a to the power minus 3 and power m is 4. So it will be a to the power 5 whole power 4 into a to the power minus 3 whole power 4. Now it will become a to the power 5 into 4 into b to the power minus 3 into 4. Minus 3 into 4. Okay. Just remind the formula a to the power m whole of power n, that is equal to a to the power mn. Similarly, here a to the power 5 whole of power 4 means a to the power m whole of power n, a to the power m into n. Similarly, a to the power minus 3 whole of power 4 means a to the power minus 3 into 4. So the answer will be a to the power 20 into b to the power minus 12. A to the power 20 into b to the power minus 12. Okay, this is the formula. Next one, example 2. Suppose 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power minus 3 whole of power minus 2. Then what will be the answer? Similarly, same rule. Here, just look at the formula. A is 3 to the power 4. This is our A and this is our B and this is our M. So the formula a to the power m into b to the power m. So here 3 to the power 4 whole power minus 2 into 5 to the power minus 3 whole power minus 2. Okay, again a to the power m whole power n means a to the power m into n. Similarly, 3 to the power 4 whole power minus 2. It will be 3 to the power 4 into minus 2. Okay, 3 to the power 4 into minus 2, and 5 to the power, what is happening? 1 second. Yes, 5 to the power minus 3 into minus 2. So it will be 3 to the power minus 8 into 5 to the power 6. Yes, 5 to the power 6. Minus into minus, it will become plus. So this is the answer. 3 to the power 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and 5 to the power minus 3 into minus 2. Minus minus plus 6. Okay, clear? Then come to next formula. A by B whole power n is equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. A by B whole power n is equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. Okay, so numerator by denominator, whole power n, that is equal to numerator power the power n by denominator power n. Okay, then with regarding to this formula, now let's solve one problem. The question is, suppose a to the power minus 3 by b to the power 4 whole power 6. Okay, then it will be what? A to the power n by b to the power n. So a to the power minus 3 whole power 6 by b to the power 4 whole power 6. Okay, then again this is a power m whole power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n. So here it will be a to the power minus 3 into 6 minus 18 by b to the power 4 into 3, that is equal to 24. It is our answer. It is our answer. Okay. Next example, 5 to the power 7 by 3 to the power minus 4 whole power minus 3. So, like 5 to the power 7 whole power minus 3 by 3 to the power minus 4 whole power minus 3. So, it will be 5 to the power 7 into minus 3, that is minus 21 by 3 to the power minus 4 into minus 3, minus into minus, it will be plus 12. So answer will be 5 to the power minus 21 by 3 to the power 12. Okay, clear? If you found any doubt, then call me. I will definitely solve your problems. So what are you doing now? Now we are studying some important formula along with examples regarding the chapter exponent. Okay, now come to the next formula. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. is equal to 1 by a to the power n. Similarly, a to the power m is equal to 1 by a to the power minus m. If the power of a number is negative, then its reciprocal will be positive. Similarly, if the power of a number is positive and we want to make it negative, we have to make its reciprocal so that its power will be negative. Got it? Here a to the power minus m, that is equal to 1 by a to the power plus, means this is the reciprocal. This is the reciprocal of a to the power minus m. Okay, like this. Similarly, this is the reciprocal of a to the power n. Okay. Now, one example. Suppose 2 to the power minus 3. What is the value of 2 to the power minus 3? That will be 1 by 2 to the power 3, like this. That is equal to 1 by 8. Because 2 to the power 3 means you have to multiply 2 for 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 into 8. So answer will be 1 by 8. Okay. If it's 5 to the power 7 and you want to make its power negative, then it will be 1 by 5 to the power minus 7. Okay. If it is 2 to the power minus 3 by 3 to the power minus 5, so I want to convert into positive power. What will happen? Now it will be what? 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 3. How? Just see here. The question is 2 to the power minus 3 by 3 to the power minus 5. So I want to change its power into positive. So I have to take its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 to the power minus, if I make its reciprocal, then it will be 1 by 2 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 5. And finally, it will be 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 3. Like this. Okay. Then one more formula. A by B whole to the power minus m, that is equal to B by A whole to the power plus m. Okay. It's a fraction. A by B is a fraction and its power is negative. Just make its reciprocal, then its power will be positive. Similarly, if 2 by 3 and the power is minus 5, now you want to convert its power positive, it will be just reciprocally. Means change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Okay, it will be 3 by 2 whole power 5. 3 by 2 whole power 5. If it is 5 by 3 power 2, and if you want to convert its power negative, similarly it will be 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. Just reciprocate. Just change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, then its power will be altered. If the power will be positive, then it will be negative. If the power is negative, then it will be positive. Got it? Yeah. Then next thing, something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, something to the power 0 is equal to 1. It may be a small number, it may be a large number, whatever. If its power is 0, then the value will be 0. Like 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1, minus 300 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Suppose 5000397, it's a big number, to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, that is clear. Something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then yes, one more thing, minus a whole to the power m, minus a whole to the power m, its value will be positive if m is even, and value will be negative if m is odd. Okay, minus a means it's a negative number, and its power, so we'll get a value definitely, but the value will be positive or negative depends on the power. If the power is even number, even means it's multiple of 2, if it is divisible by 2, it's a even number, then the value will be positive. If the power is an odd one, odd means it's not an multiple of 2, then the value will be negative, just like this, minus 2 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 3. Here minus 2 is a negative digit and its power is 4. So 4 is a even number. As 4 is a even number, the answer will be positive. How much is it? Will be 16. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So you have to multiply minus 2 for 4 times. It will be 16. Here the result will be negative. Why? Because the power is 3. 3 is the odd number. And the answer will be minus 125, because here you have to multiply minus 5 for 3 times, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, it will be minus 125. Okay, then comes the last formula. A root n, a root n, its value is a to the power 1 by n, 1 by n, a to the power 1 by n. Similarly, root a is equal to a to the power 1 by 2. Suppose a root qth, it will be a to the power 1 by 3. Suppose a root fourth, it will be a to the power 1 by 4. Okay, a root n, that is equal to a to the power, it's 1 by n. Root a, that is equal to a to the power 1 by 2. A root q, that is equal to a to the power 1 by 3. A root 4, that is equal to a to the power 1 by 4. Similarly, in that, like this you can do it. Suppose it's root 5, that is 5 to the power 1 by 2. Suppose this is root 3, suppose it is 3 root 4th, 3 root 4th, it will be 3 to the power 1 by 4, 3 to the power 1 by 4. Okay, then the last one, a to the power m by n, that is equal to a root nth whole to the power m. Here a is a digit and its power is m by n. So here what will happen? Here this denominator n, this denominator n will be its root and its numerator will be its power. Okay, here it's n will be root n and this power m will be power m. Okay, if 2 to the power 4 by 5, that is equal to, this denominator will be root fifth and the numerator will be the power. Like this, if 49 to the power 3 by 2, what will happen? Then 49, this denominator is 2, this root over and power is 3. The answer will be, root over of 49 is 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. 49 का रूट ओवर कितना होता है? 7 होता है. Then 7 to the power 3. So 7 into 7 into 7. It will be 49 into 7. 343. Answer will be 343. Okay. Then suppose this is 125 whole power 4 by 3. Here numerator is 4 and denominator is 3. I have already told you 125 and this denominator will be root q and it will be power. So 125 root q, how much? This is 5, because 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. Root q means you have to take 1 among 3 similar digits. Here 5 into 5 into 5, its root q will be 5. Then its power is 4. That is equal to 625. If you multiply 5 for 4 times, the product will be 625. Okay. So this is today for okay. So this is all about for today's class. Then if you complete this, then I will, in the next class I will solve some examples, then we'll go to the question answer part. Okay. If you complete it today, then tomorrow I will go for some important examples and then we will solve some question answers. Okay, try to complete this today. If you find any doubt, then you definitely ask me. Thank you for today's class.